Traffic on the strategic highway between Srinagar and Jammu remained closed for the second consecutive day on Wednesday. The disruption came after a fresh landslide hit the road in Banihal sector of Rambagh district. The closure has affected movement on the vital NH44. Officials from the traffic department said that the highway was blocked due to debris on the road. Restoration work is underway at multiple locations. Clearing operations are being carried out at Shalgadi. However, progress is slow due to continuous rainfall in the region. The weather conditions along the highway remain adverse. Heavy rain has triggered fresh shooting stones and landslides at several points. Authorities said that such conditions are hampering road clearance efforts. Movement of machinery and workers is also being affected by slippery slopes. In addition to Shalgadi, debris removal was already in progress at Karol Bridge and Chaderkot when another landslide struck in Banihal sector. This led to renewed blockage of the highway. The situation forced officials to suspend traffic again after a brief reopening earlier in the week. The highway had been reopened on Monday after clearance operations. However, fresh landslides and falling stones once again disrupted vehicular movement. Authorities have advised commuters not to travel on NH44 until the road is fully restored and declared safe. Officials have also asked the public to rely on only verified updates. People have been asked not to believe rumors circulating about road conditions. Travelers are encouraged to check real-time status from the traffic police control rooms in Srinagar and Jammu before planning any journey. The NH44 is a crucial link connecting the Kashmir Valley with the rest of the country. It is often described as the lifeline for the region. Most essential supplies, including fuel and food items, are transported through this route. Goods such as LPG, petrol, diesel, kerosene, mutton, poultry, and vegetables continue to reach the valley via trucks and tankers. Despite the presence of rail connectivity, the highway remains the primary route for bulk transport. The dependence on NH44 is expected to continue until cargo train services are fully developed to handle both inbound supplies and outbound goods like horticulture produce. The highway has made significant infrastructure upgrades in recent years. New tunnels, bridges, and flyovers have reduced travel time between Srinagar and Jammu from around 10 to 12 hours to nearly 5 hours. However, the route still passes through ecologically sensitive zones, especially between Ramso and Rambagh. The stretch is highly prone to landslides and shooting stones during rainfall. As a result, disruptions occur frequently and restorations sometimes take several days. Authorities continue to monitor the situation closely while clearance operations remain ongoing.
जैसे आपको मालूम ही है कि सुबह ये स्लाइड आई हुई है 3 से 4 बजे के बीच में, तो ये दोनों पहले ऊपर डाउन ट्यूब में स्लाइड आती थी शालगढ़ी का मुकाम, ये शालगढ़ी वाली जगह है। पहले ऊपर वाली ट्यूब बंद होती थी डाउन ट्यूब वाली, आज वही मलबा नीचे भी आ गया जिसकी वजह से दोनों ट्यूबें बंद हो गई हैं। और जम्मू टॉवर सिन्नर की जो गाड़ियां हैं वो बीच में स्टैंडर्ड है, शुक्र है किसी का जानी माल का नुकसान नहीं हुआ। मैन एंड मशीनरी और जॉब, ट्रैफिक पुलिस और एग्जीक्यूटिव पुलिस टाइमली यहाँ पर पहुंच गए थे। उन्होंने लोगों को यहाँ से रेस्क्यू किया थोड़ा बैक साइड पे, क्योंकि बसी बहुत ज्यादा आ रही थी। हम भी उस वक्त मौके पे पहुंच गए थे अर्ली मॉर्निंग में ही। तो मैन एंड मशीनरी और जॉब तो 6 से 7 घंटे लेके चलिए, ये सारा क्लियर हो जाएगा।
सब कितनी ट्रैफिक अभी जो स्टैंडर्ड है पैसेंजर और इनको लेकर कोई आइडिया इसका?
स्टैंडर्ड कोई 200 से 250 से 300 गाड़ी 250 से 300 गाड़ी स्टैंडर्ड में है और वो सेफ है और हमने उनको सिंगल लाइन में खड़ा किया हुआ है। तो लोगों से हमें पैनिक ना हो, मैन एंड मशीनरी जॉब है, लेकिन बारिश कंटिन्यू चल रही है। हमारा लोगों से यही निवेदन है कि विदाउट एडवाइजरी के घरों से मत बाहर निकलें। हमारी कोशिश है, प्रायोरिटी यही है कि पहले रोड को क्लियर करें और स्टैंडर्ड व्हीकल जो खड़े हैं हम इनको यहाँ से इनको निकालें।
Stay tuned with us for more updates. To like, comment, share and subscribe this channel.